Let's make Planteray Rum's version of the Beachcomber's Daiquiri. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make Planteray Rum's version of the Beachcomber's Daiquiri. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. I don't know much about Beachcomber's daiquiris in general. I do know that the original Beachcomber's Daiquiri was created by Don Beach for his bar, Don the Beachcombers, in Hollywood, California, USA. But that's all I really know about it. I don't know exactly when he made it. I don't know the inspirations. I don't know what's happened to it since. But Planteray Rum has a version of it. And this is that version. Before we get started on making the Planteray Rum's version of the Beachcomber's Daiquiri, we need to talk a little bit about glasses. The official glass for this drink is a coupe with a straw. First of all, I'm not going to put a straw in a coupe. Second of all, this drink has 4 ounces of ingredients. My coupe holds 4 ounces of liquid. No problem, right? But this is a blended drink, so you're supposed to blend it with 1 scoop of shaved ice. How big is a scoop? If I'm going to try to put 1 scoop in a coupe, then it's going to overflow, no matter how big that coupe is, or how big that scoop is, really. If it's a really big coupe, and maybe you have a really big coupe, you can use a coupe with a scoop and all the ingredients. I'm not going to do that. I could, however, use a cocktail glass, which holds a little bit more than my coupe, but not that much more. I would get maybe 1 ounce of crushed ice or blended ice for 1 scoop. That doesn't quite seem right. What I'm going to shoot for is equal parts ingredients and ice. So 1 scoop is going to be 4 ounces of ice, and I'm going to put that in, let me get this aside, a margarita glass. If you want to make the official recipe, tell me how you get 1 scoop of ice blended with 4 ounces of ingredients into a 4-ounce scoop. Let me know in the comments down below. A note on the rum. This recipe specifies Planteray Rum's 3 stars. You can make this drink with any rum you like. However, if you don't use Planteray's 3 stars, then you're not making the official Planteray Rum's version of the Beachcomber's Daiquiri. To make this drink, I'm going to start with 1/4 ounce of my 1-to-1 simple syrup. I do make my own simple syrup. Recipe is here on the channel. Video will be linked down below if you want to check it out. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 1 ounce of dry curacao. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Ooh, almost lost the cap. And finally, 2 ounces of your Planteray 3 stars. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Now, I'm going to go crush some ice. I'll be right back with you. Now, I believe the recipe said that you were supposed to blend it with shaved ice. I can't shave ice, I can't shave ice yet. I'll get a shaver someday. So that's why I crushed it. And 1 scoop, 4 ounces, is half a cup, which is something, 120 milliliters. I'm going to put that, maybe just a hair more. Perfect. Now, I'm going to blend this. I'll be right back with you. It does say blend till smooth. I think this is smooth enough. I'm just going to pour that right into my glass. That's not a bad fit for a margarita glass. Garnish is a lime wheel, pre-cut, because I pre-cut it. And there you have it, the Planteray Rum's version of the Beachcomber's Daiquiri. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what is your favorite overproof rum? Let me know in the comments down below. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. I'll make sure you get a t-shirt. While you're at that social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.